All right, for today's poke bowl, I got fresh, local yellowfin tuna with minced ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce of your liking, rice vinegar, and I put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there too. And I first start off, mix this up, and then I get everything else prepared. Right here, I got some cooked, room temperature, a little bit warm jasmine rice. You can use sushi rice or whatever you like. This is low fat, or not low fat. This is avocado mayonnaise, which definitely isn't low fat, with some coconut sriracha. You can barely taste the coconut, and it's kind of spicy, but I'll show you what that looks like. It's this right here, and there's the sriracha. So that's some good stuff. It's called Flying Goose brand sriracha coconut. You can't even taste the coconut though. Diced up some cucumbers, carrots, tomatoes, and avocado. I haven't done this in a while, so I have no idea what to expect. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my 5 to 6 ounces of minced tuna right here. And the ginger is already in there and all the spices and stuff. Put some cucumber right there. Put some carrots right there. And usually people don't use tomatoes, but I said, why the heck not? I'll just throw a couple of slivers of this in there. This is about a half an avocado. Bam. And there's the bowl. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna slide it all to the corner. Make a nice little, the tiniest hole you can really put on there where it barely comes out. You just kind of want to drizzle it on there. Like that. And there you have it. Fresh local yellowfin tuna poke bowl with rice, cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, avocado, and spicy mayonnaise.